everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Hawk Titan from Godzilla vs. Kong. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Hawk Titan, we're going to begin over here in kind of like the middle of the paper. And we want to start by making his eye. So let's begin just by making a little line that's going to go down and that's going to come back like this. Now right underneath there, we're going to make a little circle shape. Next under here, we're going to draw 1 and 2 little lines for a little bit of detail. Starting up here, we're going to make a little line that's going to go up and then come down for the top of the eye. And starting here, let's draw a line that's going to go up, and then we're going to come down for the head. Over here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come out and then down, and that's just going to show where that other eye ridge is. Now starting here, we're going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then we're just going to curve it in like this. Next right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to bring it back. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go over, and then we're going to come up to kind of make the side of the face. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that's going to go out. It's going to come down to a point, and then we're going to bring it right to here for the beak. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then we're going to bring it up. Then we'll make another line that's going to go down, and then up for the bottom of the beak. Starting here, we'll draw a line that's going to come up to show the other side of the mouth. And then right here, we'll draw a little line right across there for the beak, for a little bit of detail. Starting here, I'm going to make a couple little points that are just going to go up and down for some detail. And then we'll make a few bigger points up here. I'm just adding some kind of little spikes. They almost look a little bit like Godzilla spikes, just a tiny bit. Now we're going to start back here, right on the edge of this line. We'll make a little line that comes in. And then we'll make another little line over here. Starting here for the neck, we're going to make a couple little lines that are just going to go down, and they're going to come up just a little bit like this. Right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to go down and then in, kind of like where the chest would be. Now over here, we're going to start the legs. So we're going to come down here a little bit. And we're going to make a line that's going to go up. Then it's going to come down like this for one of the legs. Next, we'll make a little line that goes in. And we're going to make a little line that's going to come down to a point and then back. Then we'll make another one that's going to come down to a point and back. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. We'll make a little line that's going to come up to a point, and then we're going to go down and up. That way we make the little feet. Next, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up, and we're going to come up with a curve. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come down to a point. And we're going to make a couple little bumps on here. I'm going to add just a little curve or two over here. Starting here, we'll make another line that's going to come out for the leg, and then we're going to come down. Then we'll make a little line that's going to come out just a bit. Right here, let's draw a line that's going to curve down to a point, and then we're going to come back. We'll do another one here. We're going to make this come down to a point and then come back. We'll make a line that comes down. And then just like we did over here, we'll bring this up to a point, we'll come down and then up. Next we're going to bring this up and we're going to come up to here. Then we're just going to bring this line down here so it kind of lines up with this. Now we want to come up here and add the wings. I'm going to begin here. We'll start by drawing a line that's going to come up and then down just a little bit. And then we'll make another line that's going to come out a little bit farther. I'm going to bring this line up. We're going to come out and I'm going to bring this to a little point for like a claw. I'm going to bring it back down here a little bit. Next, we're going to come all the way out here. We're going to make this come to a point, and we're going to bring it back right underneath this long claw. Next, I'm going to make another one that's going to come out, and then we're going to bring this back here. Then we're going to bring this one down to a point, and I'm going to bring it up here. Now for the arm, let's draw a line that's going to come down. Then we're just going to bring this into here. Draw a line that comes down and in, and then we're going to bring this back. Now starting right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up, and then it's going to connect right to about here. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to go up and down, and then right here we're going to come up and then in. Now let's finish this guy off with the other arm. So to begin, we're going to start right about here. We're just going to make a line that's going to go out, and then we're going to curve it up just a little bit. We're going to start bringing this line up, and we're going to make another one of those long claws that's going to come to a point and then down. We're going to make a line that's going to come out here. We're going to bring it down, we're going to make it nice and skinny, and then we're going to bring it all the way back up here. You can see we just kind of followed that same shape. Right here, we're going to make another one of these long points, nice and skinny. Just bring it back up. Then we'll do one more here. And then we're going to make lines going to come down and over. Same thing, we're just going to make lines that are going to come up and down right in between here for the detail. And I'm actually going to make this claw just a little bit longer out here. So here's our basic drawing of our Hawk Titan. Let's just come in here and add a few little details just to make it really pop out. So one of the first things I'm going to do is just make a couple little long broken lines. They're going to come right up here towards the arm. Also along the back here, I'm going to add just some different little spikes. We'll make some with more than one point, with a couple points, different things like that. Or make some kind of long broken lines that curve up, and a couple that come down here. We're going to make some long broken lines right along the arm. And make some little lines that are going to go around here for the face. I'm going to add a little curved line onto the ends of the little points on the wings, and we'll do it on the top as well. We'll also draw some right here on the feet. Then I like to add a couple little extra lines, some little broken lines kind of right around here for some detail. We can even add a few extra kind of long, quick little lines coming right along here on the wings. So we'll just kind of add some long, quick little lines. And then I'm going to give them some little tiny hairs on here. Their heads were kind of furry in the Godzilla vs. Kong movie. So we're just going to give him some little hairs. Kind of looks like he's starting to go bald up there. And then it's kind of up to you. You can always add a few little extra lines on here in some different spots. Or you can just kind of keep it simple and just leave it how it is. And there you go. There is your drawing of the Hawk Titan from Godzilla vs. Kong. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.